Alright, let's go grab a package. I'm like literally going to grab a package every single day. Cause like I could get it delivered to my office, but then like they close way too early. See, it's like 7 p.m. and the office closes at 6 p.m. and I got like classes to take in between. So like the problem is if I get it delivered to the office, by the time that I have like time to pick it up, the office is closed. So I gotta wait till like the next day or the day that I have no classes, which is annoying, especially when I just want it like as soon as possible. So I just get my packages delivered straight to the Amazon locker so I can just go pick it up anytime. Hello. So this time I'm going to pick up a DB killer because my exhaust is just a little bit too loud. I like loud exhaust because why not, you know? Plus like it does help with like cars noticing my location. So like they won't run me over, but still like it's too loud to a point that it hurts my ears. I do have like noise canceling earbuds, but then like without them it hurts. So it's like better to have it dialed down just a little bit to a point where it's not too excessive. There's a police. Hello, police. Open the locker. Wait for me. Awesome. Alright, let's go back to home. Is that a cat? That's a cat. Hello, cat. let's take a look at the package. Okay, that looks cool. I gotta take off the clip. I'm just gonna let it cool down. I guess I don't have to take off the whole thing. There we go. This spring is like one of the tightest tensions I've ever seen. I guess that's good. Otherwise it's gonna fly away. There we go. It is out, smoking hot. Just gonna drop it right in there. Okay, it is in there. Perfect. Yeah, make sure that's nice and tight because I really want this to come towards the center. Should be good. I see like enough clearance. Y'all can get inside. It's not sticking out and it ends right at the edge, so that's kind of neat. Let's give a shot with the sound and do a short test ride. Oh, it's a lot quieter. Yeah, it's not like ringing the whole place. That's good. That's like good. That's actually good. Now you guys can hear my voice with the exhaust. Same like tonal quality, but like decibel wise all the way down. That's good. Oh yeah, it's a lot quieter. I can comfortably ride this at night. Let's do a test ride. Like stock exhaust is very quiet. I can barely hear it. And then like just to slip on, it's like way too loud. It's somewhere in the 100 dBs. Now this one's like a lot more comfortable. It's not like ringing my head. Just gonna pick up some ice cream and then disappear. Oh, nice bike. More like a moped. No card. Like some of them say clearance, but like there's no difference with the sale price. And then during the summertime, when they get low, they do get pretty low. Just about like that price. $245. Let's give it a shot. I hope it doesn't kill me. What can go wrong? Dun, dun, dun. $9. Thank you. This bag is turning into a complete chaos. I gotta go clean it up. I guess it heavily depends on the type of exhaust because like based on the Amazon review, some people say like makes no difference. But like it does make a big difference on mine. But I guess like it depends on what type of exhaust they have. And if it's a tiny exhaust like mine, makes a big difference, I guess. Man, it's a lot better. I like the sound level. It's audible, but it's not overwhelming. 3 cars facing me. It's a little bit more twitchy towards the lower limit of the RPM range. Other than that, it's fine, I guess. Person jaywalking. He did the same thing. Really? It's like I'd be too gentle with the shift that sometimes it just won't shift. Cause like I gotta press all the way down, but like I'd be too gentle with it. Yeah, because of the neutral, I gotta like step down on it. It's always first to second. Kawasaki bikes are so easy to find neutral that it would just send you to neutral. The bike is like, hey, here's neutral. I'm like, no, give me a second. Alright, well, that was a fun ride. About an hour, that's a lot. See ya.